are you doing today? Check this out where we are. That's impressive lobby, isn't it? We are in Renaissance Uluwatu. Right, sayang? Sayang just enjoying the welcome drink.
So I have a healthy welcome drink here. So now we are in Renaissance.
Renaissance?
Renaissance.
Okay.
Renaissance. Sorry, I
Renaissance.
cannot speak. This is French language. Renaissance.
I will call Renaissance.
So for me, I just read Renaissance. Renaissance. Okay. So we are in a Renaissance Uluwatu, and we just check in and have a look at the
Lobby.
the lobby. Oh my god.
I will show you guys around a little bit
Beautiful.
before we gonna go into our room. Winnie is doing check-in paperwork over there, and this is the lobby. Of course, quiet, but it looks quite impressive. I never been in Renaissance in Uluwatu. It's super cool. That's 5-star hotel, obviously. Very nice lobby. This is 2 years old hotel only, so it's fresh and it's cool. And the view over there is Indian Ocean in Uluwatu. We will see how is it.
So we've got the Marriott Bonvoy membership card.
That's nice. So quick update, we are in the restaurant, gonna have a breakfast. They have a super cool promotion, 130k, which is $9, and you can have whatever you want a la carte. Food arrived, egg benedict, bag basket, drinks, coffee, cappuccino of course. Winnie is working, so she's little bit not available at the moment. However, we have to wait for the check-in, and yeah, that's how it is. Looks very good. So I'm after breakfast. I got second cappuccino, so good. And sayang, somebody said as we miss how's Winnie working, so here we go. Enjoy. Winnie doesn't really start her breakfast yet. Actually, I feel so sad to her. You know, we coming to the place like this and everything, and she have to work, but that's how it is, right, sayang? Yes. Honey, what are you doing? You working in the lift?
Okay.
So we already got the room, we're gonna go, and Winnie is working.
Is it this one?
Yeah, I think so.
What's the number?
1703. Where is it? Where is it? 702. Looks nice.
Working. Oh, here we go.
Here we go. Our stuff is already here.
Wow, look at this one.
We'll take the camera. So honey, you will work.
Yes.
I have to make a video as well, actually.
How
Open.
do I open this one?
Open la.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Nice room.
Interesting chair. That's the bathroom. Oh, nice bathtub la. Here we go.
Oh my god.
With the view. You gonna jump, yeah?
Sure.
Ha.
Nice.
Nice. Alright, this is how roughly looks the room. The bed is super comfy, by the way. One thing, there are no mini bars nowadays in the even 5-star hotels. This is for the procedures from the government. I don't know why actually, but they are not allowed. And every hotel, oops, have something like this one, hygiene set, and I will show you what is inside now when it's working. So hygiene set, let's see, 2 packs of masks, wipes and hand sanitizer. So that's how it looks, the room and the hygiene set. I have to edit video when you're working anyway, and later I will show you guys around the hotel. It's quite nice, I really like it. I'll show you the hotel around, but check this out. This is the ocean, and there, this is the airport, the island of airport, I'm pretty sure. Look at this pool. I wanna jump there. Alright guys, I will show you guys a bit around the hotel. This is the pool area, over there is the restaurant where we had breakfast. By the way, they have a sort of cool breakfast option here. This is a la carte, but you have selection whatever you want, as much as you want, till 10:30, so you can have as many coffees you want, and that's actually overloading for me, but super cool. I never have like this. Mostly it's just the one dish in a la carte or buffet, but this one is super cool. I had the 2 big cappuccinos, it's like a 3 regular ones, and I feel like it's a little bit too much. Anyway, I will show you hotel around. It's so many wings, I think it's 6 or 7 wings. 1, 2, and then you have to go. I will show you guys around. It's super cool. Unfortunately only 2 wings are operated now from 7 or 6 because it's low demand, of course, but it's super cool, worth to see. Whenever you go to the lift is the tissue. Good job. This is the fitness center, empty but so modern. The hotel is brand new, just 2 years old, from 2018. Nice view, super cool, but it's empty. Nice and sad in the same time. So this is the lift, and this is the sign to go to another wing, which is there. It's another lift. When I'm gonna go down, will be another lift, and then I'm gonna go there and will be another lift. And then I'm gonna finally arrive. So hot, by the way, but this is Uluwatu. It's wedding chapel, so if you wanna have a wedding, this is the place. And the rooms are quite different here with the bigger balcony. However, I think it's a little bit worse view, but it seems like they are bigger, or at least they have a bigger balcony. Here is the bar, here is the pool, so seems like if you have a wedding party, you can have all entire level just for yourself, for the guests, for the pool private, the bar and stuff. I'm not sure 100%, but I strongly believe. And by the way, I come here from the top. Can you see over there? Somewhere there. That's the our room. It's quite a long way to go down, but they have also road, so for sure if you stay here they bring you by the electric car or something, so don't you worry. However, it's not operated at the moment. It's extremely super quiet here, guys, but the hotel is really wonderful. But this is the Renaissance Renaissance by Marriott Bonvoy, so you should expect the quality from the Marriott whatever has happened. It's super cool, fully recommended. I forgot to mention this. We pay for this hotel for our room. This is upgraded room. They give us upgrade for free. However, because it's empty, so what's the difference? However, we paid for the hotel 700k net, so it's like $50 exactly. Super cheap. You're never gonna get this hotel, this room for that money. Normally that's now the room, it's cost around $200 if you're using like a booking.com or something different platforms, Agoda or something like that. Now it's 50 if you walk in or text them, call them, Instagram, whatever. But you have to be in Bali, of course. It's quite busy here, actually it's more busy than in Melia. It's around 40 people right now, maybe more. So breakfast is amazing. Super cool hotel and stuff. Of course the service and the staff is wonderful, so fully recommending. However, like I said, now the hotel normally costs around $200, but I'm strongly believe in the like August right now, year ago when was everything normally, this room and hotel cost much more, around 300 plus. Yeah, so super cool deal. In case if I forgot to mention, the room rate 700k $50 is including the breakfast. This wonderful breakfast, what I told you, super cool, really.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you.
Alright guys, finally I asked Winnie to go somewhere because she work. It's already 5 o'clock, could you believe that? And
Yeah.
we're gonna play, we're gonna play in the pool a little bit before you saw the hotel tour. Today just very lazy day at hotel. We don't gonna go anywhere, maybe later for dinner, but we're not sure yet, so how it is?
Yeah, so I just need to stretch myself actually.
Stretch. Alright, chill out time. This is very cool place. I like it. I think I will jump to the pool. Winnie recording me from different perspective. Check this out. How do you feel, Sayang?
Good.
Are you happy as you finally left your room and you're
Yeah.
gonna do something?
I just decided that I wanna leave all my work just to chill out. I need to stretch on the pool.
Okay, jump to the pool now, yeah?
Alright.
Let's go.
You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
this at home.
Oh dear. But you are too big.
I'm too fat.
Kind of.
Hold on, I will jump.
Are you sure you want to jump?
Yeah. Wait for it.
Look at him.
I jump.
I'm afraid that you're gonna sink, son. Come on. So I order coconut. Look at this one. This is so cool place to chill out. So so we just finished swimming actually.
I think I'm too fat for this this thing, you know.
Alright, so yeah, Damian will take his drone and then he
Yeah.
planned to fly it
I
from
got
here.
permission to fly drone, so will be nice shots. I will show you how it looks the property from the sky.
So as you see up there is Damian's drone, and now I will show you how is beautiful sunset here in Uluwatu actually. So it's beautiful kites over there. Alright, so as you see behind me there, alright, there, yes, so it's beautiful sunset. Well, actually now I'm in the swimming pool with the infinity pool. As you see, we were swimming there before, and Damian is somewhere, he's in the lobby, so he's flying with his drone. And I just want to show you how it's beautiful sunset here in Renaissance Hotel in Uluwatu.
So nice place. But I'm hungry now. Swimming, flying drone, stressful. It's time for dinner. Look at this monkey, what she's doing, drinking coconut just next to the coconut tree.
If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow.
Alright, so dinner time.
We already get dressed actually, so now it's time to have a dinner. I think that I really want to eat Mexican food.
Yeah, it's very nice Mexican place, so close by here, so let's try.
Alright.
Let's go. Yeah, I bring the car, Kira. Oh, the lobbies look so nice at night.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys. Ooh, cool. Nice.
Quiero ser tu amor tú y yo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tú y yo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol.
Alright, we are in the Café La Pasión, super cool place. This guy gonna sing something. Let's see, where is Winnie? Oh, honey.
Hi.
Oh, nice painting. Oh, did you order already something for dinner?
Yeah, so I ordered tacos,
Oh, nice.
and then for Damian, as you know,
What? Pizza or burger, yeah. That's good.
Con tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, no cambies quién eres, eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras.
Alright, our food arrived.
alright. So our food arrived actually, and like I ordered before, so I have tacos with the beef, pork, and then Damian also. What do you order, honey?
I of course have a burger.
Wow,
Looking
look at
nice.
this. So good. I cannot wait for my food. So this is the tacos.
Alright guys, so we are just come back to the hotel.
Yeah, so
And-
we already had our dinner, and then we come back to hotel, and then yeah, this is our
Our
weekend sweet escape.
Sweet
actually.
escape, a little bit lazy day, so we treat this
Yes.
vlog as the review of the Reina Song Uluwatu. Super cool. Yeah, by the way, this chandelier is so amazing.
Yeah, so I
And-
think that's all our video for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
A new vlog every day, 7 p.m. Bali time, GMT +8. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow something new, like always. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye guys.